YouTube? It's your girl Stephanie
and Alex.
We are back with another video for you. You. Alright, you guys, if you guys are new to my channel, if you have not already, check that notification bell and hit that subscribe button. What are you waiting for? Go back and double check and make sure so you won't miss anything from us. If you guys are not new, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. Anyway, today, we are trying, I'm going to let Alex do it. We're going to try some popcorn. Again.
Gregory, Kettle Be Poppin'.
I'm going to leave it right here, just in case. So, we got this popcorn off of TikTok. So, what all the flavors do we have, Alex?
We have strawberry, salty and sweet, churro, white cheddar cheese, spicy and sweet, lemon, and caramel corn.
And like I said, this is what the pack look like, y'all. So, did you tell him where the name of the TikTok?
Yeah.
Okay, he told you guys the name of the TikTok. So, yeah, we're about to try them out and see how we like them.
We'll start from here.
You can pick anything. And which one is this one?
Strawberry.
Strawberry. Oh, I can taste the strawberry.
Not a fan.
You just gotta eat a couple bites. I'm gonna go with this one.
I said let's go from here to there.
No, we just picked.
Okay.
So,
That's spicy one.
so we open this one? It's what I meant. It takes more than one.
I'm just trying to You first.
Oh, we didn't weigh the other one. I will give it an 8.
A 3.
I give it an 8. So let's try this one. Oh yeah, I like this one.
A 5.
A 5? You're over here saying yeah, and you're giving a 5? Hold on. Let me get a couple. Oh my god. I can't even get it. Okay. I like it. I'll give it a 9. Blood too. I'll give it a 9.
Suck.
Go. Y'all, I saved this popcorn to do this with my aunt and my uncle in Ohio. I never even showed up there. My car is down. Oh my god, I've been going through so much.
-1.
And which one is that?
Salty.
That's it. It tastes good. It tastes more sweet.
Pick
Tastes
one.
good.
I think we should do that one last.
Make sure you're reading it for them.
I already read it.
This one tastes sweet and salty. Just pour it in my hand.
0.
Oh, wow. Oh! I would give that an 8. Well, how much you weigh that one?
-1. This one's a 0.
I'll give that one a 1. Mm-mm. Which one is that one?
Cinnamon.
Mm-hmm.
I'll give it a 4.
A what?
A 4.
Come on, way better than that.
A 5 then.
I will give it a 10. It's good. Go ahead. Open that one.
I don't like this one.
You gotta try it. You guys keep saying they don't like anything. How do you know you don't like it when you don't give it a try? And later when they give it a try, they like it.
A 3.
A 10. Did you tell them what it is?
11.
A 10. No, the camera's not focused. I think you just made a mess.
You'll pick it up.
Oh, we forgot to smell it. Smell this.
It smells good, but it tastes
Syrup.
basic.
I wish y'all could smell it, but it smells like syrup, Alice.
It tastes basic though.
Oh, yeah. This is good.
I'll give it a 6.
I'll give it a 10, too. I like the hot one. I will leave the link right here, y'all. They have Facebook, they have Instagram. But really, I'm buying this off of TikTok. And I bought every one of them. So, they're good. They're soft. Nice and soft. They are soft. I'm telling the truth. Why are you looking at me like that? Like it's never soft to you.
Because
Soft.
popcorn needs to... Okay.
It's better than having one of those microwave popcorn that's hard.
At least that one has flavor.
These are flavored too. I got these in my house too.
I like this one though.
This is what I like more. I'm tasting a wholly different another bite to it.
So I hope you guys like this video.
You done?
Yes.
Anyway, I will leave their TikTok. Y'all go follow. Y'all go check it out. Check it out. Try it. Ooh, that one is hot. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure y'all like. Share. And don't forget to check that subscribe button, y'all. Smash that subscribe button. And don't forget the notification bell. So you don't miss anything when I drop. Alright, y'all. See y'all next time.
Bye.